Halor Kapatisi TV. Kabul, ka machine ka balas snacker pang ka ba kamskem, kamstet, kamklan, bat maduna bam umpia.
Ka Manipuri Elders Consortium Shillong hakastep ka santri urusaw arajar pusan ka Pynpra da ka jingki iba jai hapela ka Manipur Rajbari Pynpra ya Jingpyrshah ya ka yeng ka berim ka ba ka Pynpra ba ka yeng sa nam ka badane ki khana pateng bat clarity jing jai bindri Manipuri pateng na pateng Dr. Munish Singh Nong Thojam, Jonga Manipuri Elders Consortium Shillong, la Pindram Joreki Officer Badan Kti, Ban Ai Hukum, Ban Pynpra, Yagan Gayeng Kaba, Haboys Road, La Umkra Shillong. Kilaong baka Rajbari, Kayeng Kum Kapakit Kimenor, Kaba Im, Kaba Kinthop Ru, Yaka Jinga Soy, Ka Manipur Merger Agreement, House Nam Kandai Spa, Sapu Kandai. Ka Manipuri Elders Consortium Shillong, Kala Kintu, Yaka Sorkar Manipur, Badi ki bor badai pen bakin pen senge no mardor yaka jing pen prai ki benta badangsa jonggan ka yeng bat ban chna pen bahabiang yaki benta bla pen tua khnang ban pen ne pen sa yaka ka yeng ka bolong ru ka yeng sa jong sim ka Manipur hakisnam ki menchwa
started in such a manner that it was a rainy day and they abruptly and suddenly broke down everything. Of course, in the beginning when they were taking off the roof part. See, as a part of renovation, some tin roof might be changed or certain window plank may be changed like that. So when they were demolishing it partly, we thought that they are bringing it down to man it. So we didn't stop when they were doing it partly. But yeah, when the students asked also, it was informed that way. But suddenly, on a very rainy day, on the 8th October, they just bulldozed the entire bungalow just like that,
It has hurt every feeling of every true might say that our very historical bungalow is demolished. So now what is since the demolition has already been done, what we want now is that those officials involved in making the DPR, approving and then carrying out should be punished. And we also would like to give an appeal that whatever materials that has been demolished from the Rajbari should be recovered, kept properly and used for the reconstruction of the same bungalow. That's what I want to say.
What I would like to tell is as a clarification, because last Sunday, the Art and Culture Director from Manipur came over here for inspection and we were gathered here to meet all of them. And what he told was, if we could have been informed a little bit earlier, before demolition or at the time of demolition. But we were suspecting that maybe he might be meaning it to the PDA. If PDA was the executing agency, if they would have informed him. But in the paper, next day in the paper, we come to know that he was meaning it to MECS, that MECS should have informed him little bit in advance so that this could have been stopped. So that is meaningless. It is quite, it's not acceptable because they are the ones who made the DPR. So their department has already made the DPR to demolish it. Then how can he expect that MECS should have informed him? So this is totally unacceptable, and this is just washing off their hands and passing on the bucks. So we are not happy with what he has commented. So all the departments are now trying to escape from this mess. It's a big mess now. So I would like to say that all those officials who were involved in the preparation of the DPR for demolition of this heritage house, those who approve it and those who execute it, all are people who are anti-Manipur, anti-national, and a bunch of greedy beings. That is what I would like to say. Thank you.
Pin riu squat ya các tiên là dòng pin đâm cam ya cả ba căn kiêu các tiên khasi các tiên là dòng ai căn rồi căn pa balai phi ong gate habangi don laga dòng các tiên khasi khardop lani phalor Pli lani khang yakatuka phalor ni juya ong Saka weipan kakten khasi kam juong banyak kiu yau up hinrengi kiu yau thiep tudayakan mau kendit ho lapan mi da kapate CTV na kabenta ka jingmentoi upat ba